Hi, my name's Chris and I want to show you just how easy our EasyFit system is to actually fit. So the base has been specifically designed in this shape so that it can still be dropped through the sink from the top, but it gives the biggest possible surface area to create a nice stable fit into the sink. So to fit the base, you drop the sharp edge through the sink first, and with a small twist the rest of the base follows it straight through. You take the second rod that drops straight through the other hole, and the base itself can be fitted either way, there is no front or back. So once the base is in place, take the larger of the two supplied Allen keys and you tighten it from the top. So there's no requirement to be underneath the sink when you're fitting the tap or securing it like there would be previously. So this just draws the base up and secures it underneath the sink. When the base is fitted and tight, you can easily screw up your supplied flexis and isolators to the pins underneath by hand. Once that's all done, if your product that you're fitting is supplied with a plinth, just drop that over the base next, and then it's time to push the tap down firmly over the base and the product is in place. Once the tap's in place, take the supplied EasyFit Allen key and use that to tighten the two grub screws at the rear of the product. Once that's tight by hand, the larger of the Allen key will fit through the smaller one and you can use that to nip it up and tighten it, and the installation is complete.